CBSE likely to submit Class 12 assessment formula in Supreme Court on Thursday. Assam Board to take final decision on HSLC and HS exams on June 18th. IIT Roorkee establishes Department of Design and offers 2 new PG courses. IIT Delhi to set up Transportation Research and Injury Prevention Center. UGC directs varsities to observe International Yoga Day on June 21st and take online pledge. REET exams to be held on September 26th. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Sanya reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: the Central Board of Secondary Education is likely to submit before the Supreme Court on Thursday the assessment system for Class 12 students. Senior officials of the CBSE have expressed hope that the evaluation criteria prepared on the basis of the report of the 12-member committee of experts may be released this week. The committee that was formed to prepare the formula for giving results and marks for Class 12 students consists of 12 people, including Joint Secretary of the Ministry of Education and Senior IAS Officer Vipin Kumar. The CBSE has issued a notification in this regard on June 4th. While issuing the notification, CBSE's Controller of Examinations, Sanyam Bhardwaj, said that there are 12 members in this committee who will decide the basis for promoting the students and preparing their mark sheets. According to the notification issued by Sanyam Bhardwaj, the committee was to prepare its report within 10 days. Now, this report was not submitted within 10 days, that is till June 14th, so the evaluation criteria has not been released so far. The government had cancelled the Class 12 board examinations on June 1st due to the surge in COVID-19 cases. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma on Wednesday said that the final decision on state board examinations for classes 10 and 12 will be taken on June 18th. Earlier, the Chief Minister had said that the board exams will be held from July 15th if the COVID-19 positivity rate goes below 2%. Several states have cancelled their board examinations due to the COVID-19 pandemic after the CBSE decided not to hold its Class 12 exam. Meanwhile, a group of students in Assam Monday moved the Supreme Court seeking directions to cancel Class 10 and 12 state board examinations slated to be tentatively held in the first week of August. The high school leaving certificate examination for Class 10 held by the Board of Secondary Education Assam and the Class 12 final examination conducted by the Assam Higher Secondary Education Council were scheduled to start in May. The exams were postponed due to the outbreak of the second wave of COVID-19. The Indian Institute of Technology Roorkee has established a new Department of Design which has launched 2 new postgraduate programs, Masters in Design and Masters in Innovation Management, starting this academic year 2021-22. The initiative would place significant emphasis on activities that create commercial opportunities and contribute to the economic growth of the country. To this end, the Department of Design would encourage and facilitate interdisciplinary design-focused education, research, and entrepreneurial drives. Further, it would create documentation and archival repository of design and innovation practices which would act as a resource center housing comprehensive information and knowledge in broad domains of industrial design and innovation management. The department would actively strive to act as a bridge between academia and the industry to address societal issues through co-creation efforts and transformation thereof into products of value. IIT Delhi is geared up to establish a new center named Transportation Research and Injury Prevention Center by converting the Transportation Research and Injury Prevention program, which is running at the institute since 2002 as an interdisciplinary program. The focus of the new center will be to produce state-of-the-art knowledge to address road transport and traffic safety in India and regions with similar socio-economic conditions, as per a statement by IIT Delhi. The institute's board has given its approval for the conversion of TRIPP into the center. TRIPC would offer academic programs in the field of transportation and road safety to train professionals who are equipped with the skills for developing and maintaining safe transport infrastructure, including vulnerable road users. The center would be training the human power and produce specialists in safe and sustainable transport. It aims to attract the best faculty, students, and staff. Besides continuing with the existing PhD program, the new center would offer a Master of Science research program which would train the students and professionals in the field of transformation safety and prepare the students for the research careers. The University Grants Commission has written a letter to Vice Chancellors of all the universities and higher education institutes in India to observe the International Day of Yoga on June 21st with adherence to COVID-19 appropriate behavior. The UGC asked the varsities to perform yoga with the theme Be with Yoga, Be at Home for building immunity and relief from stress. The Commission also encouraged students, faculty members, officers, and staff of the universities and colleges to take an online pledge to make yoga an integral part of their life at yoga.ayush.gov.in. The UGC, in its letter, asked varsities to maximize the use of digital, virtual, and electronic platform over the physical congregation of people. It also urged universities to use social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. to upload videos and facilitate online participation in IDY 2021 on June 21st. A copy of the Common Yoga Protocol suggested activities for IDY 2021 IDY Handbook reference has also been uploaded on the website yoga.ayush.gov.in for institutes to refer to. The varsities and colleges are also asked to upload the details of the events carried on the day on the UGC websites as well. According to the direction of state government, Rajasthan eligibility examination for teacher exam will be conducted on September 26 this year. This is the sixth time REET exam dates were declared by the state government and candidates are hopeful that exam will at last be conducted. Candidates will be competing for 31,000 seats of third grade teachers. A total of 16,40,319 applications have been received for REET 2021 to be conducted by the Rajasthan Board of Secondary Education. School Education Minister Govind Singh Dotasra tweeted, "It has been decided to conduct the exam on 26 September. Applications for EWS candidates will be accepted from June 21st to July 5th. Very soon, the Board of Secondary Education will release the revised press release." Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot also informed the candidates. The state government has decided to withdraw the SLP filed in the Supreme Court against the order of the High Court to issue waiting list for English subject in REET recruitment 2016. With this decision, the candidates of the waiting list will get appointed. Hearty congratulations to all the candidates. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website theENN.com and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Sanya.